Hey y'all, welcome to Kevin and Jazzy Show.
Hey guys, how you guys doing today? I'm doing okay. Just hate this right here. I hate the snow. Why? There used to be a hose right there, now it's not. Yep, hope you guys had a good Christmas yesterday. We did. We went to his mom's house and had dinner with his sister and his brother and Jack and everybody. But we had a good dinner and had a good time. You know, had a little passed out gifts and everything, but it was really good until we left home. But look at this, it's so cute. Especially when they gotta keep warm because of the blizzards outside. I mean, stuff like that. If I could show you right there. Somebody watches the news about it, but yeah, still using my new camera. I love it. So that's what we're doing, making a video, and then I gotta do some badges, and then I gotta go to bed. But our blizzard started this morning, and look, it's still blowing, if you can tell. Ugh, good. So anybody in the Indianapolis area, be safe, and stay home. I was gonna go to the bank and get money for Daryl, but nope. Nope, no money today. So all I'm gonna do is just stay home. Best thing I could do. So but that's the most cutest thing I've ever seen. I know you guys like the cats and everything, but that's the most cutest thing ever. So leave in the comments what is your weather like in your neck of the woods. I know Indianapolis, if you're anybody watching this, is what you see, and then white balance, come on. The focus, yes it is. It's white balance. And but it's white outside, and some places are getting it right now and stuff, so I know you don't want to see my kids, you have to clean it up. But you guys have a great day. Anything you want to say? You guys have a great day. Make sure you guys check out my t-shirt stores.